Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to prepare investor-ready reports in Looker Studio. Step by step, fully updated for 2026. If you want your dashboards to impress investors and clearly show business performance, yeah, this guide is for you. First, define the key metrics investors care about. Typically, revenue, net profit, growth rate, customer acquisition, and retention are essential. Focusing on relevant KP keeps your report concise, and actionable. Now open Looker Studio and create a new report. Connect your main data sources, Google Analytics 4, Google Ads, sales data from Google Sheets, or your CRM. Make sure all fields are correctly formatted, especially monetary values. Next, add high-level scorecards. Include total revenue, net profit, total users or customers, and growth percentage. These scorecards give investors an immediate snapshot of business health. So yeah, keep them prominent at the top. After that, add charts to show trends. Line charts for revenue and profit over time, bar charts for channel performance, and tables for regional or product breakdowns. Keep visuals simple and avoid cluttered designs. Investors want clarity. Use comparisons to show growth. Enable previous period or year-over-year comparisons on key metrics. This instantly communicates momentum and performance changes. Design matters a lot. Stick to a clean layout, consistent fonts, and a minimal color palette. Highlight important numbers using subtle accent colors. Avoid unnecessary elements that distract from your core story. Add filters or date range controls only if needed. Investors usually prefer a clear, ready-to-read snapshot, so optional interactivity is fine, but don't overcomplicate. Finally, switch to view mode and test everything. Ensure charts update correctly, KPIs are accurate, and your report is easy to scan. And that's it. By focusing on relevant KPIs, clean visuals, comparisons, and clear design, you can create professional, investor-ready reports in Looker Studio. If this guide helped, like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe for more step-by-step Looker Studio tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.